Welcome to your go-to IPTV guide. Are you ready to explore IPTV benefits? First, head over to 2tv.store today. Discover the best IPTV options available now. Once you're on the site, compare available packages. Select the package that suits your preferences. Proceed to the checkout and finalize your purchase. After purchasing, wait for your account details. Now download the recommended IPTV app. Install the app and open it for setup. Next, enter your account credentials carefully. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Ask about Nancy on 2tv.store support. Nancy will assist you with live support. Follow her guidance for smooth installation. Once the app is set up, explore channels. Try out different content available on IPTV. Customize your favorites for quick access. Enjoy live TV and video on demand anytime. Stay updated with the latest shows and news. Remember to check 2tv.store often for updates. Spread the word and share your experience. Thank you for tuning into our tutorial. Subscribe for more exciting IPTV content.